Hey there, so back with the Integra here. I wanted to do a follow-up video about its high idle issue and long cranking issue. So I made a video. If you go back, I'll link to it as well in the description. But I was looking at the idle air control valve. That's a common part to have a problem with in these cars. But then I cleaned it out and put it back together, and it didn't make any it seemed to for a moment be better, but in the long run, the next day I still had problems starting, so that definitely wasn't the solution. But I got reading a little bit more in the Integra forums, and led me to thinking of considering the ECT as a source of the problem. So I ordered up a new one and got it installed here, and I've been testing it out for a couple days now, and it seems to be doing a lot better. There's no high idle. Even when it was warm before, it revved up to 1500, 2000 RPMs, but now it comes back down to I guess it's around 700-800 or less. And so I'll just show you where to look for your ECT. Come in here, and it is under the VTEC assembly there. So that's the ECT location there. And we'll go inside the vehicle, and it's cold right now, so we'll verify that it is in fact starting as it should. Alright, awesome. So that about does it for that issue. If you're having those sorts of symptoms with your third gen Integra or Civic of I think 92 to 98 era, it could be the ECT, so keep that in mind. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day.